Hi everyone, Mark from Panel Perfect. Today we have a 2007 Vauxhall Corsa. Unfortunately the lady that owns it nudged a bin with the boot and put a nasty dent in the boot, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so here is the damage that we are looking to fix today. A couple of main areas to consider. There's a little crack in the paint that the customer already knows about at the top here. Quite common where it's near the edge of a panel, and the paint can be a little bit cold. It can be under stress and crack. There's a little, I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, there's a little impact point here, a little bit sharper. That could be a bit of fun to repair. Just see it there. But the rest of the dent, fairly significant. Probably a little bit worse than the photo they provided would show up. It goes right to the edge and you can see it's caught the edge of the panel just here. But nothing I'm sure that we can't handle. The lady's happy with an improvement. I'm going to try and do the best we can. I said there may be a little wobble, a little shimmer with the larger damage. That's a possibility. But obviously we'll try our best to minimise that and get it as good as we can for you. I'll report back. Hi, back again, all sorted, came out really well. We touched in a little bit of lacquer on the scratch there, so all done. If you get any dents, give us a call.